But he real dark skin. He go with Cindy. He go with Cindy, don't he? But that's not Sam. No.
Good job. He said ew.
I don't want to smell it. I understand. I don't think it's going to smell. Yeah, that sounds like it's going to smell. I go to church, but I'm not. It's not. It's disgusting.